Alrighty, what is good? What is good, gang? What is good? Saturday afternoon over here. Gonna give you guys a nice little breakdown. Everybody knows about this beautiful 80 plus pip trade right here. Made about $20,000 on that trade. That video is already uploaded on YouTube, by the way. It's actually that trade right here, as you can see. Bam, bam, bam. But we're not gonna talk about that. We're gonna talk about these nice little breakdowns over here. This was my trade over here that I did call. Right over here, it was a GJ buys, as you can see, 152.989, 152.989. Beautiful impulse entry right there, man. Oh God, let's talk about it, dude. So basically, very simple stuff, guys. Nice little break, easy break and retest situation right over here. Kind of took this trade based off the 30-minute. If you go over here, so the second that this candle did kind of like that little break and retest situation, closed back above this 8 SMA. I did kind of wait and wait for, some type of, bullish candle, just to kind of like just get that little confirmation for the buys. But the second that that SMA did get respected on this candle right over here, it was game over. Game over on this trade. I took my buy on this one. Everybody knows I'm very big on my SMAs. I use them as confluences. They're very, very useful in my trading, especially with my strategy. Yo, tell me how 300 was, yo, like to the freaking T, dude. Look at that. Oh my God, insane, 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 insane. Like TP2 was smashed right over here for 30 pips on this trade exactly. But yeah, this trade was insane. It was a really nice freaking trade. It sucks that we couldn't complete all this movement over here. It would have been a pretty nice 50 pip move. But it is what it is. I did see shorts right after we broke right under this level. But, I didn't want to get greedy with it. So, I just took my nice little win, my little $6,000 trade. And, yeah, guys, kind of just said, fuck it. I'm happy with my profits. So, next day, AB was like, yo, you know what? Like, it's my turn. It's go time. I was like, all right, cool, cool, cool. So, man, AP got the fucking nut candle on this one. He took it actually based off the 15-minute from what he told me. So the second that this candle literally started breaking this low right over here of this previous candle right over here, let me get the arrow out. Like once this candle started breaking the previous, sorry guys, there you go. Once this candle started breaking the low of this bottom wick right here, it was like, yeah, no, it's game over. It's game over. Breaking that SMA, took the impulse sell, man, straight into profit. Kind of little break retest situation. This SMA 45 pip drop right there. Proud of that freaking dude. I was sleeping, man. This freaking kid, dude, insane trade, dude. Fucking love AB. Look at that. Wow, bam. Look at that. Insane. Next trade. So over here. This was a good one. Oh God, I can't believe this trade. Let me tell you guys how I wanted to literally I wanted to freaking die. Well, not really, but you know what I'm saying. Like, dude, I literally want, dude, look at this. Look, what the fuck, Asian session, bro. I'm telling you, it's crazy. Anyways, look at this, bruh. So I called the buy over here, right? So we kind of have like a little dragon back situation right over here with a break and a retest. One of my favorite setups. Notice over here that we kind of respect the level of support over here. And I was like, all right, cool. So we had this fib here that was respected, right? So I was like, okay, cool. This fib is going to make that resistance, made the resistance. If it was respected in the Asian, I had that nice little push. And I was like, okay, let's see if we can get a little dragon bag in play right over here. So I noticed that price was giving me my nice little conversation, dragon bag break retest. Over here, my SMAs weren't really in confluence. It was more of like, I got my stop loss down here. I got my support here. I got my confluences here. Fuck it. Last trade of the week, we're slaughtering. We're on win streaks. I'm on a nice win streak. I made some really good money. F it. You know what I mean? Let me just take my trade. And, I called that trade. Had my stop loss at 750. It was a 20 pip stop loss. Dude, honestly, and I did barely even saw a drawdown, dude. Like, dude, literally, like, there was barely any freaking drawdown, dude. And I don't know why I just didn't hold it. I was so salty, man. We had 2 pips drawdown, 55 plus pip trade. Man, I'm so salty. I literally only made $6,000 on that trade, and it could have been a lot freaking more, man. We're looking literally probably like 15, almost $20,000 trade. But you know, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is. But these are just basically my last few trades that I took this week. AB slaughtered also as well with me with that trade. I'm gonna start taking his damn trades. But the thing is, I'll be sleeping. But anyways, as you can see here, man, we had about a $32,000 profit, and we had a $10,000 withdrawal. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. But as you can see here, man, just with these trades alone, man, we were able to make some numbers. Live account, as you see, FX Live Capital is the broker that I use. They have raw spreads. Definitely check it out. Create a pro account. But yo, we had such an amazing freaking week, dude. Amazing freaking week. And damn, I'm still low-key kind of hurt on this trade. Oh man, that trade right there. I really wanted that trade. I really wanted that trade, and I was like, nah, you know what? That's it. Nah, my SMAs weren't really in my favor too much, and whatever. I got kind of nervous. I was tired. I just started my cycle of my medications, and dude, I just wanted to get out of the trade and go to sleep, and then out of nowhere, it just starts flying, and I was like, no way. But that's pretty much basically it, guys. For these last few trades over here in the breakdown from the signals. Don't know what else to say, guys. I mean, you guys see the results. You guys see the consistency. We're slaughtering, like we're literally destroying the markets. Back to back nasty win streaks. I mean, we'll probably take a 5-win streak, one little small 10, 15 pip loss, get back to another 6, 7 win streak. I mean, this month has been insane. This month has been insane. But overall, a really good week. Glad it's over. Now on to the next week. But yeah, guys. I mean, just looking at that bothers me. But anyways, let me stop talking. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. So stay tuned for that.